Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your home science class and our today's topic is chapter 4 creative questions 1 and 2. So let's start the class. Look at the questions. There are two questions. There are two creative questions. Number 1 is Rebecca has a busy husband and two children, Shumon and Shumona, in her family. Her husband is always busy at his work. Rebecca exchanges her feelings with her children like a friend. She plays an active role to build her children cooperative attitudes towards their peers. Their father also spends time with them in spite of his busy schedule and takes them to the park and historical places for their entertainment. Number A. Okay, that means from this stream there are total 4 questions. Number A is what is family? Number B, why is it necessary to follow the rules and regulations of a society in making a good citizen of the country? Number C, what kind of manner of a child will be developed from the influence of Rebecca's behavior towards her children? And number 4 is, that means number D is, the environment mentioned in the stream is hopeful to obtain a sound development for the children. Justify this statement. So let's start, student, from question number 1. Number A is, what is a family? So here is the answer. Number A, family is the smallest unit of a society consisting of parents and their sons and daughters. Okay, and now go to the next one. What is this? Why is it necessary to follow the rules and regulations of a society in making a good citizen of a country? Students, just one thing, what is a family? I have written here, family is the smallest unit of a society consisting of parents and their sons and daughters and other members. Okay, you can add here other members if you want. And other members. You can write it. Okay, so that means it will be, family is the smallest unit of a society consisting of parents and their sons and daughters and other members. Now number B. What is number B question? Why is it necessary to follow the rules and regulations of a society in making a good citizen of the country? Number B is, man cannot lead a secluded life. He is a social being. A society has certain rules and regulations. It has some forms and norms. Without practicing this, one cannot take part in any development activities. So he needs to follow the rules and regulations so that he can be an important citizen of the country. Okay, that means for being a good citizen, one must has to follow some rules and regulations of the society. Now come number C. What kind of manner of a child will be developed from the influence of Rebecca's behavior towards her children? The answer should be started from here. Number C. Family is such an organization from where the children get the lessons of socialization. In the above mentioned stream, the way Rebecca is dealing with them will play a vital role in forming positive behavior of her children. They will learn how to respect and love people. The children will learn working in cooperation not only in schools and colleges, playgrounds, but also quality of leadership. Understanding people will grow in them. Moreover, courtesy, etiquette, cordiality, sympathy will enrich their manner. In fact, they will obtain all the positive social qualities gradually, which will lead them to be ideal citizens of the country. Now come to number D. The environment mentioned in the stream is hopeful to obtain a sound development for the children. Justify this statement. Yes, I agree that the environment mentioned in the stream is helpful to obtain a sound development for the children. Whether the future of a child will be bright or dark. Here the spelling is not shown clearly. Is bright or dark. Whether a child will be an optimist or a pessimist and so forth depends on the environment they are brought up in and what the parents' roles were. Shumon and Shumona has got not only parents but also friends and guides. They spend time with them and take them to parks and historical places. This not only gives them sweet recreation but also inspires them to learn about historical places. Clearly, they do not have to suffer from isolation. All this will ensure them a sound development. Okay. So, this is the answer of creative question number 1. Now go to number 2. Look at the question, students. Ronnie reads in class 7. He discusses the lessons and other general topics with his classmates. Ronnie made a club named Shobut Shangho to make his community pollution free with his friends. Ronnie and his friends, with the help of community people, arranged some large drums to keep all wastage into them properly. Shobut Shangho, organized by Ronnie and his friends, is involved with many development works which have been appreciated by all. Ronnie's mother always encourages him in his activities. So this is the stem of question number 2, and from this stem we have total 4 questions. Number A. Which technique is the most important to guide children properly? So just look here. Number A's answer is what? The most important technique to guide children properly is to behave with them positively. Okay, this is the question answer of number A. Okay, now go to the question again. B. Why is it necessary to have a friendly relationship among siblings? So this is the answer, number B. Siblings are next to parents. Siblings give company to each other, learn to share pains and pleasures and discuss problems with all their simplicity. If they are bereft of a friendly relationship among themselves, they will not be able to express themselves, to grow self-confidence and to cooperate with others. They are likely to suffer from inferiority complex and some paranoid psychiatric disorder. Now number C. Which quality of Ronnie has been developed through the activities mentioned in the stem? Explain. So now go to number 3. The quality that Ronnie has developed through the activities is organization, motivation or leadership. Here just you can give a comma. Here you can give a comma. So the answer will be the quality that Ronnie has developed through the activities is organization or motivation or leadership. His activities and humanitarian service are extremely rare qualities in class 7 students who has set a glowing example. Here it will be student, not students. It will be student. He is also aware of environment pollution. He deserves superb organizing capacity. His club, Shobut Shangho, has done a tremendous thing under his guidance. Creating public awareness is not enough to him. He likes to serve people. Okay, here will be a full stop. Students, you have to choose here. Number D. The question is here, students. Mother's encouragement and good association have made Ronnie familiar with all. Justify this statement. Here is the answer. Number D. The great French Emperor Napoleon once said, "Give me a learned mother and I shall give you a learned nation." Ronnie and his mother may well be termed as an example of what Napoleon meant. There is a dormant question in every boy and girl whether his or her parents would appreciate what he or she is doing. If he or she gets appreciation, he or she becomes sure that he or she is doing the right thing. This support adds speed to his or her spirit. Furthermore, good association is one of the pillars of creativity. Its role may be compared to that of a catalyst in a chemical reaction. Okay, students, today you have no homework. Okay, students, stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.